Alright, somebody obviously didn't know what they were doing because they chopped off the connector that goes into here that feeds the tailgate, unlocks the tailgate, goes to the handle of the tailgate, and they wired on a trailer connector thinking they was going to do something. Now, since they chopped off the end that goes to those gold pins in there, which means very good connection, I got to eliminate them, which means no more taking off the tailgate. That's how this tailgate was supposed to be able to come off, just by unplugging there and unplugging there and take the tailgate off. Some people can't leave anything alone, so now we got to try and fix it. Like, share, and subscribe, if you can.